Today we talk about how can you add taxi driver lessons on your InDrive app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, you just go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on your name here. So then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click here on city rates here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You just switching to open with you here. So when it's going to open with you here, you just click here on taxi driver lessons here. So then here can you add your taxi driver lesson. And here when you click on add photo here and you click here on down, then it's going to add video on your InDrive app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.